You may have heard of AI tools like ChatGPT or Google's Bard that can chat with you and answer your questions. But have you ever wondered how these tools actually work? One of the key technologies behind these AI assistants is called natural language processing, or NLP. To put it simply, NLP is the AI's ability to understand, interpret, and generate human language in a way that's meaningful and useful. Natural language processing is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. But one of its most exciting uses is in AI assistants and chatbots. These applications rely on NLP to understand the natural language that we use when we interact with them. This involves taking the computer's analysis and converting it back into natural language. The response may be generated by selecting from a predefined set of answers or by using a language generation algorithm. It's the reason why we can use voice assistants like Siri or Alexa to control our smart homes or use chatbots to get instant customer support. NLP is also transforming industries such as healthcare and finance by automating tasks that were previously done by humans. Deep learning algorithms can automatically learn the most effective way to process and generate text without the need for explicit programming. This has led to some truly impressive results and has opened up new possibilities for natural language processing. For example, NLP-powered tools can now analyze patient records to detect patterns and insights that can improve care coordination. As NLP technology continues to evolve, we can look forward to even more applications that make our interactions with computers more seamless and intuitive. Whether it's through voice assistants, chatbots, or other NLP-powered applications, the ability to communicate with machines in a natural language is transforming the way we live, work, and play. They can also help financial analysts review large amounts of data to identify trends and make better investment decisions. And in some cases, they can even generate their own natural language responses. One of the most exciting developments in NLP is the rise of large language models, or LLMs. These are AI systems that are trained on massive amounts of text data and can generate human-like responses to natural language inputs. LLMs such as GPT-3 and Lambda have demonstrated an impressive ability to understand and generate text on a wide range of topics. They can summarize articles, generate captions for images, and even write code based on natural language descriptions. Some common techniques include tokenization, which is the process of breaking down text into smaller units, such as words or phrases. Part-of-speech tagging, which involves identifying the grammatical function of each word in a sentence. And named entity recognition, which is the task of identifying and classifying named entities such as people, organizations, or locations. In other words, it's the technology that allows us to talk to computers in a way that they can understand. So whether you're asking a question, making a request, or just having a conversation, NLP allows the AI to grasp the nuances of what you're saying and respond accordingly. Think of it this way: you and I can easily communicate with each other because we share a common language. When you ask a question or make a request, it's first converted into a format that the computer can understand. This typically involves breaking down the request into smaller components, such as keywords, phrases, and sentences. Then the computer uses NLP algorithms and techniques to analyze the structure and meaning of the request. This may involve identifying the subject, verb, and object of a sentence, as well as the relationships between different words and phrases. We understand the words and phrases that each other are using, and we know how to use grammar and syntax to convey our thoughts and ideas. However, if you tried to communicate with a computer without the help of a programming language, it would be pretty difficult. Computers understand binary code or machine code, which is a series of 0 south and 1 south that represent different instructions. So how do AI assistants like ChatGPT and Google Bard bridge the gap between human language and machine code? That's where NLP comes in. NLP has many applications, including machine translation, text summarization, sentiment analysis, and more. So let's take a closer look at how NLP works in practice. Once the computer has analyzed your request, it can then generate a response that is also in a format that humans can understand. There are many different algorithms and techniques that can be used for NLP, and this specific approach will vary depending on the task and the application. So why does any of this matter? Well, NLP is a key technology that makes it possible for us to interact with computers in a natural and intuitive way. As NLP technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more applications that make our lives easier and more efficient. LLMs are made possible by advances in deep learning, a type of machine learning that uses multiple layers of artificial neurons to extract features and patterns from data. The future of NLP is bright, with ongoing research and development leading to even more sophisticated and capable systems.